Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make chicken sandwich. This is a very interesting recipe. I'm sure you're gonna love this. Before that, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the newer notification. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm taking 300 grams of boneless chicken. Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of mixed herbs. This is completely optional. Salt according to taste, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix well. Keep this at rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, here I'm taking a pan with 1 tablespoon of oil. And here I'm gonna add marinated chickens. Cook well until the chickens are soft and tender. After 3 to 4 minutes, here I'm going to add 1 chopped onion and 1 roughly chopped tomato. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Combine well. Finally, I'm gonna add 1 chopped capsicum here. It's done now. Switch off your flame. Now take a slice of bread and add the stuffing, that is the prepared masala. Few mozzarella cheese at the top. This is completely optional. If you have, you can use, otherwise you can skip this step here. Now I'm gonna top this with another slice of bread here. Here I'm taking a grill pan and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter and I'm frying the sandwich here. I'm spreading 1 tablespoon of butter on top. Flip and fry it evenly on both the sides. It's done now. Remove from the flame. Likewise, prepare other sandwiches too. Now let me show you by cutting this sandwich. So I'm gonna cut this now. Wow, it's so yummy. If you like my video, then give it a thumbs up and share your valuable feedbacks with me in the comment section below. Thank you.